Hi, my name is Mark, and in this video I'll be demonstrating the procedure for installing Windows Vista using Oracle VM VirtualBox. This video is a continuation of a previous video in which we installed Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and added 4 operating systems as virtual machines. Having said that, let's get started. The first procedure would be to right-click on the Windows Vista icon located on the left pane, select Start. From the drop-down menu, select the drive letter previously documented and mount it to utilize this operating system image. In this case, I shall use the G drive. Having done that, click the Start button. Windows is loading files. At the Install Windows screen, we are given the option to choose the language, time and currency format, and a keyboard or input method. We can leave these settings as the default and click the Next button. Click the Install Now button. Click the checkbox next to I accept the license terms and click the Next button. At the Which type of installation do you want screen, click the Custom or Advanced option. At the Where do you want to install Windows screen, click the Next button. Windows is copying files. Windows is expanding files. Windows is installing features. Windows is installing updates. At this stage, Windows has restarted and you're granted the option to click Restart Now, or you can simply don't press any button and allow it to restart on its own. We are given a prompt to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. At this stage, do not press any button and allow the computer to boot on its own. Please wait a moment while Windows prepares to start for the first time. Windows is completing the installation. At this step, your computer has been rebooted and you are offered the opportunity to press any key to boot from a CD or DVD. At this stage, do not press any button and allow the computer to boot on its own. At this stage, you are required to enter a username. I shall now input a generic username. You can leave the password field blank and click the Next button. At this stage, you are required to input a computer name. I shall input a computer name that reflects the operating system being installed. For the sake of this presentation, this will allow me to differentiate it from other machines with other operating systems. Click the Next button. At the Help Protect Windows Automatically screen, click the Use Recommended Settings button. Depending on your location, uncheck the Automatically Adjust Clock for Daylight Savings Time option. Use the drop-down menu under Time Zone and select the time zone closest to your region. In my case, I'll choose Atlantic Time, Canada. Ensure that the date and time are correct and click the Next button. At the Select Your Computer's Current Location screen, click the Work icon, then click the Start button. Please wait while Windows checks your computer's performance. The system has been restarted and you are prompted to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. At this time, do not press any key and allow the computer to boot on its own. Windows is preparing your desktop. Your Windows Vista installation has been installed. At this point, shut down the Windows installation by clicking the Start button and clicking the Shutdown button. Once you have returned to the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager screen, right-click the Windows Vista installation on the left pane, select Settings, select the System option on the left pane. Next to Boot Order, uncheck the CD/DVD-ROM option, highlight the Hard Disk option, click the up arrow once to move it upwards one space, and then click the OK button. Now right-click the Windows Vista installation and click the Start button. The Windows Vista installation has now been installed and configured. At the end of my videos, I like to display a manual outlining the steps shown in the video. That is, for those of us who wish to pause this video and document the steps. I shall now scroll through this manual. You can feel free at any point to pause this video and document the steps. This brings us to the end of our video demonstrating the procedure for installing Windows Vista using Oracle VM VirtualBox. Thank you for watching.